What's up guys and welcome to my new video. Today I'm gonna show you how to get Farming Simulator 22 on your PC for free. Hit like and subscribe if this guide helps you. When you turn on your PC today and open Epic Games, create fast account on Epic Games. When you do that, use my code in Epic Store. All what you need to do to get this cool game, go here in store search and type Farming Simulator 22 and hit enter, and you will see here Farming Simulator 22. It's free, click on it and go here get, check this and go here place order. And you will see message thank you. And you get guys this cool game for free in your library. Click here in your library and you will see Farming Simulator 22. Click on it, install your game and enjoy your game. And that's it all guys for this video, how to download Farming Simulator 22 for free, fast and easy. I see you in the next video and bye guys.